Welcome. Our nervous system is an intricate network that carries along electrical impulses throughout your body. And if your nervous system is overloaded, it just needs to relax. So begin by making yourself very comfortable so that you can relax your nervous system, thus regenerating it. Begin to breathe in deeply and slowly through the nose. Imagine that every breath out, you are letting go of stress and tension in your life. When you breathe in, fresh, new energy is coming into your body. This fresh air is accessing your mind and your brain, beginning to send signals to the nervous system to slow down and relax. As you breathe in slowly, imagine this fresh air is going through every part of your brain, relaxing you, taking away your troubles. And as your mind relaxes, your body relaxes. Feel your arms resting heavy by your sides. Notice this feeling of relaxation spread into your chest and abdomen. Your entire back is relaxed, just as your legs are deeply relaxed. As you breathe this beautiful energy, feel it surrounding all of your mind, slowly letting go of any troublesome memories. It is time to let them go. And as you let go of any old memories that no longer serve you, your nervous system is getting the signal to relax very deeply now. Your nervous system knows there is nothing to fear. As this truth that you have nothing to fear swirls around your entire body, you know that being at peace is your natural state. Very good. Imagine now that a beautiful golden light is traveling into your fingertips. It carries with it a warmth or perhaps a tingling sensation. And this golden light travels into your entire hands, accessing the nerves within your fingers and palms, soothing them, returning them to a state of homeostasis. Feel this light traveling into your arms now, regenerating your nervous system along the way. Wonderful. Feel any tension is unwinding easily and effortlessly. Your nervous system is responding to your direction. Allow your awareness to travel up into the shoulders, giving permission for deep relaxation. Feel your shoulders melting away, dropping any burdens that you've held on to in your life. And as you let go of these burdens, your nervous system feels a relief. Thank goodness you have finally let go of all these burdens. Breathe in very deeply now and exhale with an ah. You deserve to let go of anything that does not serve you. It is time. Your nervous system is thanking you for this opportunity. It is returning to balance. Feel your lungs and chest expanding with the air. Notice your stomach is relaxed. Your hips and pelvis are resting heavily on the surface below. Right now, your entire nervous system is regenerating at an accelerating rate. Electromagnetic signals can travel freely through your entire body. Breathe in the feeling of peace and joy. You have activated the regeneration process of your entire nervous system. Breathe in and breathe out. And begin to ask your nervous system to become stronger. Give it permission to heal. Your energy is traveling freely now, and every part of your body is getting the attention it deserves. Healing anything, mending, tending to, untwisting and unwinding any discomfort. Allow for your nervous system to do what it does best. Calm you. Wonderful. You have done such amazing work today. Your nervous system thanks you. You may rise from this session in your own time, feeling the powerful effects from this session. Very good. Open your eyes whenever you're ready.